Ooh Wee Wee from Tennessee, and this is my friend P, and we are just flabbergasted about all the Black History Month festivities that's going on, sponsored most in part by Black Image Magazine. And if you're not here, it's not fair, and you're square. Cause I mean, we are got all the fine foods, the vendors from all the southern characteristic places. We got excuse me, the shrimps is so big I can't even pronounce it. Colosso. But Colosso. So I just want you to know that the Oswald and Black History Month founder, Black Image Magazine's founder, excuse me. I just want y'all to know that we appreciate you all bringing this together with all these fine vibes going on. And ooh wee wee. God bless.
Where you from, Ooh Wee? Where you from?
Originally from Memphis, Tennessee, North Memphis, 2152 Hoover Circle.
I like that jacket. Let me get a good look at that jacket.
Oh, okay. Well, hush your mouth and keep on talking. Okay.
Is that Burberry you're wearing, sir?
This is true. Something real close to it. And ooh wee wee, hello there. Oh, who loves you, baby? Black History Month loves you, baby. Oh wow. See there? And so it's just an overall karma-ristic characteristic going on. A positive karma-ristic characteristic. Webster, can we get Webster's on that one? Karma-ristic? I think I came up with another. So peace out, we love you, and I wish you were here, but since you weren't, woo, DVO me. Ooh wee wee.
Taste the sounds of soul with Ooh Wee Wee. God bless.
Okay. Hey, big brother.
Me and Trey and Josh went to get
And what's your name? And what's your name?
Trey, Ricky Jackson, anybody want a nickname?
What school do you go to?
Mulaski.
Mulaski? And what school do you go to?
Brentley.
Brentley.